Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to our channel. Again, I'm Eduardo Gulfan. And into this video guys, I'm going to show you on how to set up and how to use the asset tracking management system of ACG software solution. But before that, if you are new to this channel and wants to learn more about Microsoft Access, then guys, you're in the right channel. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. So, let's start. So this is my sample database, the asset tracking management system. Click here. Okay, so it will ask the license key if you open this for the first time, and then to get the license key you have to generate the order number. So click this and then send this number to me. My email ad will be posted below the description of this video, and then I will send you the license key corresponding to this license order number. Put it here and then click validate. But as of now, we have to try the 30 days free trial. Click this. The message is you can now start with your free trial period, and then let us set up the company name. For example, ABC Corporation. Okay, and then for example, Compostela, Cebu, Philippines. And then if you wanna add a logo, you can add sample this one. Click this, click OK, and then open this database again. So let us open guys, and then as you can see, ABC Corporation and then the logo that we have selected, and then expiration date, because this is a pre-trial, so it will expire on May 9, 2024. Then the license status is pre-trial version. So for my email, I think this is indicated here. Okay, so for the tutorial, if you forget, you can just click this link, and then if you want to contact me, this is my WhatsApp number and this is my email ad. Okay, let's go back, and then by the way, I have indicated the forgot password, and then the password guys will be sent in your Gmail. So if you click this one, if in case you forgot your password. Okay, so let us use the admin. So this is the default guys, admin, and then the password is 123 if in case I put 123 so that we can easily remember. So log in, and now welcome to asset tracking management, IT administration, and then ABC company. So to open the menu, just click this three horizontal lines. Okay, now, and then if you want to hide, okay, just click this. Then let's go to the settings first. Okay, if you wanna add a user guys, because this database is unlimited user, for example, let us create another one. For example, Jose Rizal. Jose, and in the password guys is also a 123. This is default guys, 123, and then we have to indicate the email address, because in case you forgot your password will be sent in your email. Okay, that's sample, and then you can set up the access rights. So if you want to give him all the access, you can select this, select all. If not, not included in the settings, you can also unselect this one or deselect. So okay, close, and then let us open again guys. Let us change the user. Okay, click this. Are you sure you want to change user account? Okay, and then the status of this is change user account. So Jose, password is still password. Let's try. Okay, password, log in. So please change your password so the database guys will force you to open, because this is for privacy also. So let your user set their own password. Okay, Jose Rizal, then the password is 12345. Okay, that one. Then let us open. Okay, 12345, log in. Okay, so Jose Rizal. And then, as I remember, he has no access right for the settings. That's why the setting is disabled for him. Now, guys, let's continue to the asset transfer. So asset transfer, this is where this is the form wherein you have to move your assets. So from one person, from one custodian to another custodian, or from one employee to another employee. So sample is one, sample name, and then reason code, borrow for disposal, or okay. You don't have the privilege to add or edit categories because for the settings, guys, he has no access right. So let's continue, guys. Let us use the administrator user account so that we can check all the features of this database. Okay, okay. Transfer reason code because we only have borrow for disposal. Okay, what else? Assigned. Okay, and it will be seen here. But before that, guys, before we create a transfer, let us go to asset list first because we will add an asset. I will show you how to add an asset. So here, if you have the assets, it will be seen in this form. Since we don't have an asset, let us add manually. So for example, if F001, so it's up to you guys how you create your code. For me, if that is stands for furniture and pictures. If computer equipment, that is CE. So machineries and equipment, MA. So it's depends on you. So for example, um, office chair, serial number, no serial number, so NA. Category, furniture, and then let us see. So these are the categories that I have put here. And if you want to add, for example, the facilities, so you can just click here and then type facility, then close. Okay, so facility, so that one. Then specification, for example, color black, and then hydraulic. Okay, date acquired. Okay, and then for example, the price is 5,000. Location is, let me see. Okay, let's put it here. For example, Cebu. We can add, guys. For example, Manila. So let's see. Okay, and then you can also put the locations of your office, so meeting rooms. And then, guys, for the pictures, click this camera icon. And then, for example, documents. I have here a picture, this one, office chair. Okay. Then supplier, soap one, sample. Then reference, invoice 001, notes, trial entry. Then save records, close, refresh. Okay, so FF001 officer. And if you want to edit, so you can double click, and it will be open, guys. Okay, and then if you want to record also the repair cost or the maintenance of the assets, you can click here and then write any transaction, especially related to the cost. So for example, cleaning, Okay, 49, and then did perform 49 also performed by Ed. Total cost is 120. Oh, refresh. Okay, it will be recorded. So if you have many records, then you can get directly the total. So close. Okay, and then if you want to export this into Excel file, then you can simply click this export to Excel. So for example 9.24. Okay. Okay, so these are the assets. Then close. And what if you want to import an Excel file? You have your assets in your Excel and you don't want to add it manually. You want to import it directly. So you can just click this, guys. Import. And then since we cannot import directly from your Excel file because this database needs the template. Okay, the name of fields, the correct name of fields. So you can just click this one, guys. Download Excel template. So sample, click OK. Here we go. So transfer all your assets list in this Excel format, and no need to rename this, guys. So do not touch this one. So because if you change this, for example, you have to put space for the asset code, and also this one if you think this is wrong because there's no space. So don't do it, guys, because you cannot import your assets. So after you put your assets, so just browse and then click here the proceed, and then it will automatically um, transferred in your database, in this database. So another one, guys, let us add another one. Okay, 01 ME, for example, vending machine. Okay, 135 category, machineries and equipment, specification. Okay, then for it acquired is 100,000, and then asset location Manila. Okay, sample. Okay, trial. So that's it, no pictures. Okay, refresh. Now, guys, let us create an employee record. Okay, so for example 001, then Jose Rizal. Okay, I don't know his birthday. Okay, birthplace. Okay, current address, civil status, married, male, contact number, then sample at Gmail. Okay, and then let's add a picture. Example that one. Okay, position, finance manager. Okay, by the way, guys, if you want to edit the drop down list, you can click this, the edit list items, if you want to delete it, and then change to for example is uh, maintenance, then for example logistics, receiving. Okay, something like that. Okay, let's click this, and then the rest in case of emergency, and then government contribution, guys, it depends on you. Actually, this is designed in Philippines. This is number, TIN, as well as their contribution. This is the statutory requirements. And then let us close this. Now let us do the transfer. So for example, we will transfer an asset to Jose Rizal. Then reason code is Baru. Okay, we can write also anything here, and then barcode. So if you have the barcode scanner, guys, and then you also your asset tagging is in a barcode sticker, then you can do it directly. And then the barcode scanner, no need to set up, just plug it in your CPU and then just scan directly. So since we don't have a barcode scanner here, so I will select this manually. For example, I will issue to him an office chair, so I will select this and then click process. But as you can see, guys, before we click this process, as you can see, the status is open. So and then created by, so this is for security purposes, so that we will know who transacted that asset transfer. So click process. Okay, the transaction status is process, and then this is the format of asset transfer. Then Jose Rizal will sign this form. Okay, and then let us check the asset list. I mean the asset history. Okay, so all the transaction from the asset transfer will be posted here. So you will know who's the first and the last user. And then accountability. So if in case your employee or the custodian will resign and you want to check his accountability, so you have to type here the ID number. And if you don't know, just click F2. Okay, let's type, for example, Jose Rizal. Sorry. So Jose Rizal, click here, and then by the way, double click the line to view the accountability. So double click. So all the accountability of Jose Rizal is only one, this one. And then if you want to preview, we cannot double click because I changed this. So this one. Okay, so this is the list of his accountability. So if he resigns, so you can check all his assets. So employee. By the way, if you want to change the picture, you can check directly. Okay, and then the here you cannot edit, but you can edit here. And then in case of emergency attachment, for example, for the attachment, if you want to attach what we call this one, if you want to attach an incident report or the 201 files of your employee, so you can attach here. For example, 201 files. And then if you want to attach a scanned file, scanned copy, okay, I'll use this one. Okay, and then don't worry, guys, because the database, all the attachment of this database is will be saved in the drive C. It will not be saved in the database, so you don't have to worry the 2 gigabytes limit of this database, because even you attach hundreds of files, your database will not be hung because the attachment is in the drive C. You're just saving the link only. And then, guys, if you want to open the link, so just click this and you will know. Okay, you can view the file. And if you want delete, click this delete. Job details, okay. Other information, this is for the statutory requirements. And then let's go to material issuance. Actually, material issuance, this is asset tracking, but I included the material issuance. So this is material for like preventive maintenance of the machine. I included it here, and also band paper, ball pen, or any office supplies. You can use this also. Just add it here all, so that if you want to know your expenses and then the quantity of your materials in a weekly basis, monthly basis, you will know because we can generate it in the report here. And then if you want to change the password, you can also change your password. And then let's go back to settings. So We use this from the start, add user, and then you will know also the list of accounts. Okay, and then compact and repair. If the database will hang or there are some bugs of the database, you can use this one, compact and repair. So then also split database, you can create a what we call this one, a front end and back end. So that's it guys. And then clear database, if you want to copy this database to another computer and also you want to clear all the files, so just clear. And then backup database, it's automatic guys, and then it will create a backup file. Then company name, change company name. This is we use it during the setup of company name. And then set up email sender. Okay, this one. So this is my email SCG software solution. So you can use your email ad. And then for the SMTP password, you can watch my video how to generate the SMTP password. This is the app password of your Gmail guys. So this is important also because if you forgot your password, your this database will send you an email using this sender guys, using this sender. Okay, and then what else, let's go to reports. So if you want to generate an employee list, okay, preview, so this one. And then if you want to export it in Excel, click here. That's it. And then for the asset master list, inventory, asset list for inventory purposes. Okay, and then total maintenance cost, so this one. And then maintenance cost per asset, so the same, because but this is per asset guys. You have to type the asset number. Issuance, we will not click this because we don't have issuance. So I think this is enough guys for this walkthrough, for this demo. So if you have any concern or you want to get a copy of this database, then email me. That's all guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click like, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. That's all. Thank you and see you to my next video.